wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best underwater aquarium lights. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the highly customizable xcellent global can be programmed to perform various dimming and fading functions to create a lively environment. It's a safe low voltage option with a self-weighted design, and assembly is both quick and painless. It's 16 inches long and good for fresh or salt water use. However, the remote control range is short. At number 9, depending on your preference, you can choose from two versions of the Covo Superior, one with bright white bulbs and another that produces a variety of colors. It's equipped with a strong waterproof seal that helps ensure a long life. The settings can be saved and strong suction cups keep it in place, but this one doesn't work well with timers. Coming in at number 8 on our list. While it certainly will work for an indoor tank, the sanwo spotlight is bright enough for use outside to illuminate a fountain or even a swimming pool. It'll shine in vivid red, yellow, green, blue and more, and you can set it to put on a dynamic show. It offers flash and fade modes along with a 90-day satisfaction guarantee. However, the remote control is finicky. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for underwater aquarium lights, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Gift Pro bar is designed so that all the mounting hardware is hidden once it's installed, so it'll fit seamlessly into the framework of your tank. It features a handy timer that allows you to program when you want it to power on and off. There are 3 size options, all with a vibrant strobe setting, but some find it too dim. Moving up our list to number 6. Create a dramatic effect with the nicrew Volcano ornament kit, which features red LEDs and a resin base that together mimic overflowing lava. The included bubble maker fosters natural filtration to help keep your fish and plants healthy. It sets up in a few quick steps and measures about 4 by 6 inches. However, note that an air pump is sold separately. Halfway up our list at number 5, your reef and gravel are sure to shimmer under the mingdak crystal, which uses 57 long-lasting LEDs to illuminate tanks in a range of sizes. It features an unobtrusive in-frame mounting design and 2 strong, sturdy suction cups. It comes with legs that adjust for flexible placement, a handy manual on-off switch, and a dense, shockproof rubber connection. At number 4, your fishy friends will enjoy a more lifelike environment with the Koopower Super, which pumps the water to help distribute oxygen throughout. It fits well in tight spaces thanks to its compact size, and its red, blue, green and yellow LEDs provide an eye-catching show. It offers a simple tool-free installation along with an adjustable flow rate knob. It makes little to no noise. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, a compact selection that doesn't consume much power. The nicrew strip is a solid, energy-efficient choice that's great for brightening up small spaces. You can position it just about anywhere on the interior glass with its dependable suction discs. It emits a gentle blue and white glow and is also available in longer options. It's backed by a 1-year warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for underwater aquarium lights, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Hagen fluval prism 2.0 LED can project up to 6 feet and offers fun, vibrant special effects that mimic sunsets and storms. It casts a powerful 6.5 watt beam, while its compact black housing is easy to conceal behind plants or rocks. It boasts a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours, a brightness control option, and a fully rotatable head. And coming in at number 1 on our list, you can program the smiful submersible directly via a switch on the cord, or use the intuitive remote that comes with it. You can select from a wide variety of colors and several dramatic display modes, such as flash, fade, and strobe. It features an adjustable brightness and speed, and there are 5 lengths to choose from. It's made of durable ABS plastic and acrylic. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for underwater aquarium lights, or simply click beneath this video.